Hello, my darling. Thank you so much for pressing play. This is V, and in this video, I'm going to show you how I make another luxurious bar of mine. And this one, I'm making it for a second year in a row. It's called the Toco Loco bar. It's a combination of beautiful blues inspired by the actual place called Toco. It's a mesmerizing place located in the northeastern part of Trinidad. It's a place where the ocean spray lands on your skin ever so softly, and where the ocean waves dance while sending grounding energy to every visitor. And of course, you know I have to add my luxurious ingredients. So I did add some cocoa butter, some mango butter, some hemp seed oil, just to name a few. And all of these positively improve skin's elasticity, its skin tone, the moisture. It strengthens the skin, it cleanses, it moisturizes. So why not add these to this luxurious bar? So let's see how I design this bar, and I will meet you at the end of this video. So here you have it. Here are my Toco bars. They have been unmolded. They are ready for purchase. These bars smell so delicious, so delectable. They remind me of a really relaxing beachy day. It has notes of jasmine. It has a little bit of that sort of lavender feel in there. You get that ripe melon along with the citruses like orange, lemon, and lime, with a fresh cut grass nuance with a little bit of violet as well. And if that's a lot, just know that it smells like a relaxing light day at the beach. It's a very beachy bar. And here you have the bar before or last year, and I wanted to create one that had thinner waves, a little bit different. The bar this year weighs a little bit more, I believe around 3 or more ounces than last year, so you get a little hefty bar, and I'm quite pleased with it. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, let me know what you think. Also, come on through, buy a Toco Loco bar or two. I can't wait to wrap it up and send it off to you. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I can't wait to make many, many more. So have a fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next one.